Modesto, an ordinary member of MMM Philippines. I live in Cebu City, Philippines. I provided help to Mavro Mining Premium last December 6, 2015 for the sum of 11,100, and I already received my cash assistance last December 11, 2015. And the total I got for my cash assistance is 12,600 from the 14% growth of what I donated. Again and again, I would like to give my thank you to MMM Philippines for for this opportunity, for in helping others, and to all the participants who also helped me. Thank you, more power, and together